In this short video, I'm going to show you how to do tutorial 1_4. So this is a way to practice all of the tools and all of the applications you're going to use on Galaxy before you have to run it with your own data. So it's not the whole Unit 1 project, but it's the main applications that you'll use. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to start out looking at my Galaxy history that I've shared with you, and we're going to look for where this data came from for a 4-year-old child and a 39-year-old man who have contributed to the Gut Microbiome Project, American Gut Project. I'm going to click on the 4-year-old child and view details, and you can see a couple of things are here, what format the file came in, the history ID, so how it's stored on the cloud server. We can see that it came from the NCBI SRAs, the European Molecular Biology Lab. We're actually going to import the same data from the NCBI SRA, so from the American Short Read Archive. But both of the data sets, both of these short read archives are going to use the same identifiers. So I'm going to copy from the dataset peak. I'm going to copy the identifier ERR. I'm going to click on Get Data, and I'm going to once I've copied this, I'm going to start a new history, which I will call Microbiome Example. I'm going to hit Enter to change the name. And under Get Data, there's a couple of different options. So we first in the homework last week used upload data. Now we're going to do something that I call side loading. So if we are uploading, we have to go to the source of the data, get it onto our laptop, and then bring it to the server. With side loading, we're going to move data directly from server to server, so it never has to come to our laptop. It's going to save us a lot of time, especially if you have a slow Wi-Fi connection. And as the projects get bigger and bigger, as we start dealing with bigger and bigger data sets, you're really going to want to use this tool. So we don't want anything that says download in it. What we're looking for is loading data directly from the tool. So we can do faster download and extract reads in fastq format from NCBI SRA. So this is not going to come from our laptop. We're extracting, we're moving it and side loading it by pulling it directly from the database. I'm going to paste the accession number. The format that I want it in is GZ compressed fastq. So it's going to have two file extensions, fastq.gz. So it's that gun-zipped compressed file. And then we can click execute. Once you've done that for the 4-year-old child, you're going to want to repeat those steps for the 39-year-old man and be able to get both data sets into a new history on Galaxy. When I look at ERR 1075558, it doesn't really give me any information about who that data belongs to. So the next thing I want to do is I want to check on Biosample. I'm going to go to NCBI Biosample. I really want to check who contributed that data. Is it the 4-year-old? Is it the 39-year-old? So if I search that unique identifier, I can find their survey questions under the sample. And I can look down at age, and I can see the age is 4 years old. So I'm going to use the pencil icon to copy the unique identifier into annotation so I have a record of it, but change the name to something a lot more meaningful. I'm going to write 4YO. You could write 4 years. You can do whatever notation you want. 4 years, 4YO, 4 years old, was just an easy way for me to see the difference in the samples.